There's no fanfare, so I'll just go la 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 la. Come on. Okay, a quick couple of questions. Vishal is dying to ask a few questions of Kirron ji as well as Shreyas so quickly. Go ahead, Vishal.
Yeah, what was it like working with Farah? This is what they've been asking us all day, so I think somebody else should,
No, it was wonderful. It always is, sorry, that's my mobile. It's always been wonderful working with Farah. She's great to work with. We work together in Main Hoon Na. It's a crazy mixture of excitement at all kinds of levels. And
sorry, Kirron ji, it is your mobile. That's not right. What's Kirron ji's? Kirron ji, take it, but just use the mic so we can hear the conversation. Okay, Shreyas, tell us a little bit about the film, the making of the film, the music, and the experience of Farah, who's now sitting like Godfather there.
You don't have to ask everyone about me. Cyrus will still be paid at the end of the show.
How dare you lie like that in front of all these cameras? Let me tell them there's no money exchanging hands. We're just doing this because
You're not giving it in your hand. Just putting it.
Family press, Farah. We're saving that for later. Shreyas, little bit nice about.
Of course not. Cyrus, you're lying. She's a sweet person. She never abuses, she never shouts. Oh, it was wonderful. You asked me all the questions, you want to know everything about the film. So it was wonderful. So proud and happy to be a part of Om Shanti Om. The music is superb and brilliant. I mean, they've done a chakachak job here. Congrats to you guys. And that's it. I mean, I'm sure Farah has already said